coming to the ring. I think that's what you're trying to tell people, but I can't understand how you get lost in your story.
Be that as it may, you're entitled to your opinion. I'm not sure what's so hot. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, we have an awesome night of action tonight. As Barbed and Danger coming up from the event. All the whole picture of big ever barbed wire hell match. The ring will be surrounded by schools of barbed wire. We'll talk about that a little later on. Also, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to see the Rockstar and the FTW World Champion, the Grim Reaper, team up against America's Most Wanted, Jay Lover and Tommy Buds. All that and much more here tonight. And there we see Jigsaw making his way to the ring.
Well, you're over there talking about Jigsaw. I'm going to do what a good commentator does, and I'm going to point something out here. I don't know if you've seen, we're looking at a little bit of a new look here from Earl Cooter. And I got to say, it looks pretty good.
Well, I believe that you're referring to his new wrestling tights. We're going to take a look at that in just a moment. Jigsaw now. And then we see Cooter, okay. Yeah, those are some interesting tights. Showing off his less than masculine physique, I'll say that. Cooter getting set to take on the very athletic and mysterious Jigsaw. Both men about the same height, both have about the same build.
There you go. You're a walking contradiction, Sean Bryan. You're over there, so you're telling me Jigsaw's less than manly too. So here we go. I'm sure now we see two less than manly wrestlers here, according to host Sean Bryan here. Let me tell you what I'm looking at. I'm looking at Jigsaw already breaking the rules here on his first day in FTW wrestling. All Earl Cooter wants to do is get in the ring and start the match. Jigsaw is making all kinds of commotion. He's not properly obeying the rules.
I don't know what rules you're referring to that he's breaking. Everything seems to be in order here. The referee separates them, rings the bell. Looks like we're going to get things started here between Cooter and Jigsaw. And I wasn't referring to Jigsaw as being feminine. And, maybe I said that about Cooter. I said they have a similar build. I didn't say that they were identical, exactly the same. And Jigsaw comes in with a big knife-edge chop, catching Cooter directly in the chest. And I believe that was legal. And now Cooter again tries to go to the outside. Trying to get a breather. The match just started, barely.
Well, that's what I got to say is the veteran mentality of Earl Cooter. If you don't like the way things are, when you get out there, you regroup, and you come back in, and you try it again.
Well, we know that Cooter in recent months has had his problems with the Rockstar. Back at Scars and Stripes in May, Cooter teamed up with Tommy Buds to take out the Rockstar. They were unsuccessful. Cooter hasn't made many friends here in FTW. Nice reversal there from Jigsaw. Taking it into a wrist lock. Now taking Cooter down. Looking for some sort of possible SPF here. No, now wrenching back on the arms of Cooter. Nicely done. Jigsaw showing off that technical prowess in the opening stages of this matchup. And Cooter looks overmatched, to be honest with you.
There's no question Jigsaw's got a lot of ability. This kid is world renowned. But I'm going to tell you, not using a lot of intelligence right there, he definitely had the upper hand, and he definitely had Cooter in an unfamiliar position, and I think he should have capitalized it. Instead, he's going to the crowd to hog all the glory.
Well, I think maybe Jigsaw is just trying to feel out Cooter, give him a little taste of his own medicine. We know that Cooter likes it, and that's exactly what I'm talking about, trying to do-si-do. And Jigsaw now reverses the do-si-do. Nice arm wringer there from Cooter. Again, in this square dancing fashion, and Jigsaw now tries to reverse it. Square dancing, this is ridiculous. Looks like they were going to go for it again. Nice reversal there into a backslide. No, from Jigsaw. Wow, what a submission maneuver here. Look at the flexibility and the strength, the core strength from Jigsaw, being able to hold all of Cooter's body weight on his own back. Nicely done. Nice arm drag modified there from Jigsaw, taking Cooter down, and again, Cooter seems completely overmatched.
He's definitely frustrated, I'll tell you that. He doesn't look happy.
A lot of great action coming here tonight at Barbed and Dangerous, ladies and gentlemen. This is our opening contest here. Nice reversal there from Jigsaw, takes Cooter over. Series of kicks to the back, sets him up. Wow, big boot to the face of Earl Cooter. Almost knocked him out, goes for the cover, hooks the leg. Only a 2 count. Cooter able to kick out.
I don't know if that was 2. It was a little early to be going for a pin. It was a good kick to right in the face of Earl Cooter, though. And here we see Jigsaw really taking it to him now.
Wow, nice double knee to the chest of Cooter, followed by a snap suplex. Jigsaw now to the outside, double stomping, Cooter in the stomach. And boy, oh boy, I really have never seen Cooter in this sort of position. Jigsaw now off the ropes. What's he going to do here? Wow! Did you hear that? I think we heard that.
Not exactly the best display of sportsmanship as he smacks Cooter on the back. Cooter looks a little confused. I don't know. He definitely is out of his element here. He's over there discussing. I think he thinks a fan did it. And I wouldn't put it past any one of these fans.
Cooter better get his mind right in this match. Jigsaw now off the ropes again. And a big suicide dive through the ropes. Both men going over the guardrail into the crowd. And this match thus far has been completely dominated by Jigsaw. Unbelievable. Putting his body on the line here tonight at Barbed and Dangerous. Big kick to the chest of Earl Cooter. And this match, again, has been all Jigsaw thus far. And again, stomping on the stomach of Earl Cooter. Let's take a look at this replay now of what we just saw. Here again, Jigsaw off the ropes. That suicide dive, taking both men over the guardrail into the crowd. Nicely done. As Jigsaw now in full control, rolls Cooter back into the ring. Scales the top rope. Big high cross body there from Jigsaw. Cover. Only a 2 count. What does Cooter have to do here, Chuck Rimbach, to get back into this match?
No, he might need to call somebody for help. He might need to call the police for the beating that he's taking here. Not out yet. This Earl Cooter, and there you go. That's veteran savvy. You don't got to do much. Just get out of the way.
Cooter now finally able to muster some sort of offense. He moved out of the way of that big splash, and Jigsaw was running towards in the turnbuckle. Snapmare there from Cooter. Locks in a nice chin lock. Oh, the referee's got to look for a choke there. It appears that his forearm is underneath the neck of Jigsaw. Jigsaw now trying to get up, but brought back down abruptly by Earl Cooter.
And you know, Earl Cooter had the answer when I didn't. You said, what does Cooter need to do? I think he did the right thing. What did he do? He got out of the way. He slowed this thing down. He got a little control. And, you know, albeit it might be a little bit of a choke there, but you got to give him credit. You can't say that he's not using his brain here.
Maybe that's what Cooter has to do to be successful in this match. Slow things down a bit, because we got to say that Jigsaw definitely has the speed advantage. And this match has been moving at about 100 miles an hour. Nice reversal there from Jigsaw, sending Cooter into the buckle. But Cooter able to get that big boot up, staggers Jigsaw, and then hits a flying clothesline. Nicely done there from Cooter. Jigsaw seems to be out of it. Goes for the cover, lateral press. Only a 2 count. Jigsaw able to get that left shoulder up in the nick of time. Big forearm there from Earl Cooter. But Jigsaw fires back, and an open hand slap.
And that was big, I'm not going to lie.
Cooter again able to get to his feet first. Big knee to the side of the head of Jigsaw.
What a bell ring.
Jigsaw making his FTW debut here tonight. And of course he wants to be successful and get a big victory. Cooter now off the second rope. Lands a big boot to the back of the head of Jigsaw. Cooter again, rolling Jigsaw over, lands a knee to the chop.
Oh, I might have went for a cover there. But now Earl Cooter looks like he just wants to inflict some punishment as he's pulling down the knee pad.
And this is definitely, it's not illegal, it's just unsportsmanlike. Referee really can't do anything in that position. Cooter has definitely gained the upper hand here in this match after starting out looking very out of sorts. Cooter now going to the outside, not really sure seeing it's in a position like this. Now he's talking and jarring, jaw-jacking with the fans, trying to get a chair. I mean, Jigsaw now off the rope. This is the double stomp. Cooter with the presence of mind, but Jigsaw lands a big kick anyway. Nicely done. Cooter, I thought he moved out of the way, he did. But Jigsaw was able to pull off his offense anyway. Big kicks now to the chest of Earl Cooter. Signals for a clothesline and sends Cooter over the railing once again into the outside.
I gotta say, the crowd is loving this action. That is brutal. I've done some research. I haven't seen either wrestler do things like this.
Wow, big tornado, spinning, jumping DDT from Jigsaw. We're gonna get it right now. Take a look at it again. Instant. This is instant replay. crowd. Just unbelievable. What athleticism there. Jigsaw really taking it to Earl Cooter here in his FTW debut. Cooter now back in the ring. Jigsaw moves out of the way. Sunset flip now from Jigsaw, but Cooter sits down, cover. Jigsaw able to counter, pulls out. Wow, big German suplex into a bridge. And he did indeed catch the chair. I did see it indeed. Jigsaw caught Cooter with his chair. I am very impressed thus far with Jigsaw. Nice move there from Cooter. Jawbreaker. Goes into the corner. Nice somersault. Catches him in the stomach with a shoulder block into a bulldog. Not sure he got all of it, but got just enough to take Jigsaw down. Both men down now.
That's going to be the difference in why Cooter doesn't score this pin right now.
Goes for the cover. Only a 2 count. You're right. He didn't get all the bulldogs. It wasn't enough.
Jigsaw was bent over just enough to avoid the big damage.
Both men battling back and forth. What an opening match here at Barbed and Dangerous. Maybe this is a sign of things to come here tonight. Cooter off the ropes. No, Jigsaw grabs him. Nicely done. Gets him up now. Wow, just slams him down again on that chair. Cover. This is going to be it, folks. 2. And no!
I think that this is a match of near misses. You saw Cooter with the bulldog. You've seen a German suplex slightly on a chair. You've seen what looked to be some kind of torture as powerbomb straight down slightly on the chair, and it's keeping both men alive here. It's just a heartbeat away from somebody really being out of this.
Cooter now into the turnbuckle, floats over, nicely done. And wait a minute, looks like this could be the end, his finisher.
Comfort, Earl Cooter.
There it is, Southern Comfort. If he goes for the pin here, this could be it. 2. But no, Jigsaw able to kick out. That was Earl Cooter's finishing maneuver, and look at Cooter now, arguing with the referee, saying, yeah, that was a 3 count. What a battle here. Man, I'm going to give my respect and props to both men, especially Jigsaw here, trying to really make a name for himself here at FTW. Cooter now off the rope, loses balance, and goes stomach first onto the top rope.
And if you go high risk, you better be willing to accept that risk. And I'm telling you, Earl Cooter's been getting chipped at all night, and it's no shock to me that he couldn't hang in there on that move.
Cooter indeed tried to go for some sort of triple jump off the chair, missed it, tries to climb the top now, but counter there from Jigsaw throws Cooter off. Jigsaw now showing the crowd he's going to use that chair. This match, I will say, it is not no disqualification. You can see the referee saying, do not use the chair. And Jigsaw now looks like he's getting things ready, but Cooter gets up. They're both got the chair in hand. And, oh, wait a minute, the referee got hit in the stomach with the chair. And what was that? He never hit.
Referee's calling for the bell. Earl Cooter, who would have thought it? Earl Cooter has outsmarted an international superstar like Jigsaw.
And I'm not really sure what happened there. The referee called for the bell. Let's get the...
Don't be sure what happened. You know what happened.
Let's get the official word here.
Your winner by disqualification, Earl Cooter.
That is unbelievable. What exactly happened here? I can't even believe we saw that. Unbelievable. And Jigsaw now just hits Cooter with that chair.
That's way unsportsmanlike.
The referee was hitting the stomach with the chair, wasn't paying attention. Cooter made it look like Jigsaw hit him with the chair, and in fact he didn't. But Cooter able to pick up a victory by disqualification.
To be honest right now, Earl Cooter's eyes are open. I don't know if he knows that his name is Earl Cooter. That was a vicious chair shot. Thank God his legs are moving.
Cooter, right, man? Cooter, man.
Ladies and gentlemen.